Hi everyone. Well, after a lovely weekend of weather, it's continuing into this week. In fact, it's going to get very warm. In fact, even hot as we head into the second half of the week. It's all happening due to this area of high pressure here that's sat across the UK. You can see these colours here that's representing the temperature, and you can see how warm it's looking. So this is today. We're doing this in 12-hour steps. So this is tonight. And you can see, temperatures fall away, but the high pressure doesn't really go anywhere. And we can move through into Wednesday. It stays warm. This high pressure is still hanging around. In fact, even as we head in towards the weekend, the high pressure is still pretty much there. It's out here to the southwest, and it extends across us and to our east somewhat. But it looks like there could be this little area of low pressure starting to push up from the south. Now we're not sure if this is going to happen or not at the moment, but if this does, things could start to turn thundery as we move in towards the weekend or the second half of the weekend. And you can see that here with this precipitation or rainfall, they'll be moving up from the south, but that's quite a long way off. So we'll let you know more about that nearer the time. So, what have we got today? It's quite complicated in a sense because the wind directions, they're not just a standard direction. They're pretty much coming from everywhere in different parts of the island. So along here in the in more southern parts of the island, we've got the winds coming in from the south-southwest. In the east, we've got the winds coming in from the south-southeast. Pretty much coming in off the sea at every point around the island. And that's because the air's warming up over the island, the air rises, and the air comes in off the sea to replace it. So you've got these sea breezes that will develop. But it's beautiful clear skies right across the island, and the temperatures 24 to 25, possibly up to 26 in one or two places as well. Now as we move into tomorrow, another lovely warm day. Clear skies, but the winds are increasing from the east southeast, so they'll be starting to pick up a little bit as we move through tomorrow. But the temperatures are still high, so we're looking at 24, 25. We may even see 26 Celsius in the odd spot. As we move through into Wednesday, not much changes really. The winds increase a little bit from the east northeast, so we're looking at a moderate to fresh breeze. So we could be seeing up to 18, maybe even 20 miles per hour here in the English Channel. But it's still beautiful weather, temperatures between 22 and 25 degrees Celsius, and once again we may see the odd spot up to 26 here in the in central and western parts. Now as we move through towards Thursday, the winds become a little bit lighter. They're coming in from the east-northeast generally, but we've got these sea breezes starting to develop once again around the coasts. And what this means is that coastal areas will be a little bit cooler as always, but inland we're seeing temperatures 25 to 27 degrees generally. In central and northwestern parts of the island, we may see temperatures 28, 29, possibly even touching a 30 in one or two places. And once again on Friday, not much changes really. Perhaps a little bit of high thin cloud moving through at times, but the winds will generally be light to moderate and coming in from the east-northeast, but with these coastal breezes developing around the island coast, so onshore breezes making it feel cooler here. But inland again, 26, 27, 28 generally, towards Newport or some other places inland, central parts of the island, maybe towards the west-northwest here, we could see temperatures possibly reaching 30 degrees Celsius. So a very warm, if not hot, week coming up. Anyway, we've got some more, like I said, weather coming up towards the weekend, which could be possibly thundery. But we'll get into that a little bit nearer the time because we're a little bit unsure about that at the moment. Anyway, goodbye for now.